do when bored? Are you bored? Well, there are lots of things to do whenever you are bored. Yes, and seriously, okay. One is make a vision board where your dreams are there, your goals. Also, get your whiteboard and write stuffs. Bumili ng isang ream ng bond paper at magsulat or magdrawing. Kasama na sketchpad at watercolor sketchbook. Magdrawing na magdrawing or magpaint na magpaint. Watercolor. Hanggang sa ma-perfect mo ito. Totoo, tama. Okay, so, gumawa ng manga, magsulat ng story, or gumawa ng libro, oo. Kontakin lang ang mga book publisher. Para okay. Alright, okay, so. What to do when bored? There are lots of stuffs to do. Whenever bored, go camping. Yes, okay, so. Mamasyal at gumala. Kasama ang friends, barkada at tropa. Okay, so, pumunta ng gig. At shows ng mga paborito mong banda. Okay. Tulad na lang ng Valley of Chrome, Paramore at Sadie. Mamasyal sa ibang bansa. Okay. Oo. Or dito lang sa Pilipinas. Baguio, Tagaytay, Batanes, Manila, Cavite, Taguig, Makati. Anywhere that you want. Yes, okay, so. Baka gusto mo din mamasyal sa London, Paris, or US, or Japan. Oo, okay. Kung madami kang pera. Mahalaga din na may budget ka. At madami kang pera. Okay. What to do when bored? Yes, there are lots of stuffs to do whenever you are bored. Okay, so use your cellphone, gumamit ng social media. Instagram, Facebook, kahit chat apps pa. Viber, etc. Mag-Google at YouTube ka. Kung wala talagang magawa. Totoo, okay, so what to do when bored? Ano nga ba ang gagawin? Magsimba, magbasa ng Biblia, magrosaryo at magdasal, okay? Okay, pray to God. Na sana ma-escape mo na ang boredom stage. For real, okay, so. Kahit simple lang wish mo pwedeng matupad. Okay, so. What's next? What to do kapag bored? Write stuffs. Or draw. Sumali ka sa loto or magbingo ka. Kapag nanalo ka, madami ka nang magagawa sa life. I think. Okay, so. What to do when bored? Analyze, exhaust. Think of stuffs. Use your imagination or use your brain. You could use your heart also. Okay. What to do when bored? Ano nga ba mga magagawa kapag bored ka? Madami. Ma-engage ka kaya sa cooking, pagluluto, or baking. Interesting yun. Masarap pa. Okay, so, pumunta ng grocery at mamili ng pagkain na good for the whole week, whole day, or whole day and night. Okay, so, buy a radio or even a new television. Baka luma na TV nyo or radyo. Tapos makinig at manood ng news, mga palabas sa TV at radyo, etc. Okay, may magagawa ka na, okay. Always na mag-Lazada at Shopee. Pumunta ka ng SM at mamili. Use your earphones, AirPods, or InPods. And mag-music. As well as I have said, listen to Paramore, Valley of Chrome, or Sadie. Okay, so what to do when bored? Ano nga ba mga magagawa? Kapag bored ka, madami. Use your creativity as well as your intelligence. Yes, okay, so what to do when bored? Ano nga ba? Mag-YouTube. Kahit tungkol saan panoorin mo. Yes and okay. May escape mo ang boredom kung finalo mo ang instructions ko sa'yo. Speak up, dear. Like, comment, subscribe. Speak up, dear. Speak up, dear.